So we've just had another 3 days on the South West Coast Path, which have been amazing. Just before we colour in the section we've done, we're asked a lot how we work out about the bus services. So this app here, called Traveline Southwest, is a really useful app. This is what it looks like. Connections, how do I get from A to B? And you can put in any destination in here. So we can say we are going to go, as we did, from Westwood Ho to Instow. It starts to calculate before it's asked you when you want to go, but you can click on now and you can give any day of the week. You can say, oh, I want to see what the bus services are like on Friday. Done. And it will tell you all the timetable. You can go earlier, and then when you found a bus route that you want, you can click on it, click on the route, show on a map, and it will show you about the bus route. And this is what we use when planning where we're going to go, what time the bus comes, and there's also other stops along the way. So if you think, oh, actually I only want to go from that bus stop, you can click on it and you can say, take me from there. And then click on the map again, show on map, and it will recalculate the route from wherever you said, pick me up and drop me off. So that's just some useful information for you.